Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I will show you how to find the zip code of your current location. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So the easiest way to find the zip code, whether as example you're using iPhone, Android, PC, whatever you want. For me, I'm using here a PC. I'm going to open a browser, whatever it is, and I'm going to this URL section. I'm going to type what is my zip code. So there is a website called Map Developers, where if you click on it, here basically it will ask you to know your location. If you want to, you can enable it as an example. And if you don't want to enable that, you can just go as example, open your map and find your exact location. So just say example, I do live here, somewhere in this area. So yeah, somewhere here. Click on it and you will be able to see the exact zip code. I click on a specific area as an example that I know the zip code of, and it happened to be the same zip code that I know. Of course, this website will show you the full address as example, the city, the states as you can see, longitude, country, and everything. So also the zip code that you want. And of course, there are other ways to get the zip code like using Google Maps. But for me, this is the easiest tool to get your zip code, and it's very, very accurate. And that's it, basically. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe, and watch our next video.